Can you build a full-featured mobile app to help people quit vaping and get it ready for the App Store without writing native code? With today's tools, the answer is yes, and Bravo Studio makes it happen. This app is designed to support users on their quit journey, with daily tracking, personalized goals, and journaling to understand habits and triggers. Users can visualize their progress with real-time charts, monitor achievements, and stay motivated with smart milestone tracking. Whether reducing gradually or quitting immediately, the app offers customizable plans based on each person's path. All user data is synced securely through Supabase, enabling seamless login, usage tracking, and analytics behind the scenes. The front-end design was built with Figma, including a branded welcome screen and mobile-optimized layout. With Bravo Studio, the Figma file becomes a real mobile app, connected, tested, and ready to be shared. Bravo Studio wraps any modern web app into a native experience, giving makers the power to ship real apps faster, build faster, launch smarter. Start building your dream app with Bravo Studio.